Hi, I am Pro Affiliate Marketer, but my friends call me Pam. What makes me different from other marketing and affiliations companies? I live for global customer conversion by building robust and active affiliation communities. I was successfully designed to be a leading technology system to enhance great brands and to promote awareness for our customers, products, and services. And we all know increased awareness leads to increased popularity and ultimately greater success. I am ready to work with your business by synchronizing a customized marketing platform designed by the Pro Affiliate Marketer team. Our marketing platform will customize a set of market strategies designed specifically for your business, social media, SEO, and more. A strategy that will contribute to amplify your results and provide your business with bigger growth. To be continued. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.